Hello, and let's move to the traffic sources section in Keitaro. The traffic sources section in Keitaro is a workspace for creating and managing advertising platform templates. Here, a lot of them are already created. An advertising platform template is a set of UTM tags which you may receive with a click from traffic source. That could get your reports more detailed and you will know more about your traffic. S2S post backlink here is also added in the template. When you get a conversion in Keitaro, the tracker would immediately send the conversion to the source and optimize the traffic there using this link. Select the desired traffic source here by the button create. A lot of them are already pre-created as a template. So we select the desired traffic source here and see that sets of tags are changes. Here we may check it's empty now, and we may check one. These are the set of values for Black App Dev. These are the set for Action Teaser. This for ABC apps, and so on. As well, the postback S2S postback link is already changing when we choosing other template here. This one has completely other, this one has not the postback link because seems it doesn't work with the S2S postback. So I think you got the point. So how it works and how it's useful. First, we are creating template here. Let's choose some random, this one, let it be ABC apps, create, done. Then we should add it to campaign here. And we see here that we may choose the source, ABC apps, save it. And now we get a fully prepared link here, and that only needs to be added to the add cabinet here, this link with the tail of our UTM tags, because a set of parameters has been added here in parameters section. So as we see, you may get all available source, all available UTM tags which source may send, and analyze your traffic more deeply using this data. As well, we may see that S2S postback section already filled because of we plugged in our template here in our source line inside our campaign. So that's mean that when you are receiving conversion from affiliate network, from your advertiser, doesn't matter, Keitaro will immediately send the postback using this link and you will optimize the traffic on the side of your advertising cabinet traffic source. So this is the basic use case of our traffic sources templates. More information about managing, creating use cases and so on you may check in our documentation. As always, here, creating traffic sources section, traffic sources report, postbacks, parameters, and so on. So thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.